Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Jeremiah Jocelyn, Project Manager with America's Home Place in Oxford, Alabama. Today I'm currently on site with one of our homes, which happens to be a Jillian house plan. Now, something you should know about all of America's Home Place plans is that they are all customizable. One of the things that made our customers so happy was that we were able to give them the front porch that they had always wanted. You see, originally included with the Jillian house plan is just a small front porch that seats 2 or 3 people. But with what they were looking for, we were able to give them a full-size front porch that reached from one side of their house entirely to the other. That's the thing you should know when looking at our plans at americashomeplace.com is you can customize the porches to meet your needs and your desires. Whether it be a front porch, a back porch, you can even add something on the side or even do a patio for the grill. But whatever it is, whatever fits your needs, you let your local sales rep know and we can make that happen for you. If you have any questions how we can customize your house plan, please go to americashomeplace.com and reach out to us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this page. Thanks for watching, and again, have a great day.